Hello, children. Good morning. How are you? I hope you all fine. Today we are going to see a new topic in English. Shall we? Today we are going to see about a simple future tense. The simple future tense indicates an action that will happen in the future. The future tense is formed by using the helping verb will or shall with the base form of the verb. Examples are: the dog will bark at the mailman. I will clean my room. I will fold the laundry. I will work hard. She will map the floor. All these sentences indicate that the action has not happened yet, but it will happen in the future. Let us see in our textbook. Simple future tense. We use simple present tense to talk about an event or action in the present or to talk about actions that we normally do. For example, Aditya teaches English for class 6. Here teacher shows the present tense. We use simple past tense to talk about an action or event that has been completed in the past. For example, the thief looted the jewelry shop at night. Here looted shows the past tense. Study figure 3. The graph represents the number of thefts in a city over the last few decades. Here number of thefts, here they have given year. Just you observe the graph, children. Work in pairs. Based on your understanding of the graph, discuss the following questions. So children, you can choose any one person from your family, observe the graph and discuss about it. Which year had the highest number of thefts? In which year was the number of thefts the lowest? Did the number of thefts increase or decrease over the years? What do you think could be the possible reason for this? Predict what will happen to the number of thefts in 2020. Write your response here. So after discussion, you can write your response here. Next, what do you think you will become 15 years from now? Write it here. So after 15 years, how you will be? You should write your response here. Next, we use simple future tense to talk about an action or event that has not happened yet and that will take place in the future. It is formed using the following structure: will or shall helping verb plus original form of main verb is equal to simple future tense. In look within 5.7, you may have written, I will become a music composer. Will is a helping verb, become original form of verb to be. Note that in modern English, will is more common than shall. Shall is mainly used with I and we to make an offer or suggestion or to ask for advice. So we use shall mostly for I and we to an offer or suggestion or to ask for advice. For example, shall we go for a movie today? So we are asking like question form. In figure 4, list the uses of simple future tense with examples. Fill in one example of your own for each. Circle the verb in simple future tense. Function used in a sentence. To predict a future event, it will rain tomorrow. I think the Indian team will win the next match. Here you have to write your own sentence and you should circle the verb in simple future tense. Next, to state a fact, oil will float on water. Saving rainwater will improve the groundwater table. Here you have to write your own sentence and you should circle the verb in simple future tense. Next, To express willingness or unwillingness to do something in the future. Examples: we will spend our holidays volunteering at an animal shelter. Next, Kavya will help you with your project next week. Here you should write your own sentence and circle the verb in simple future tense. Next, to give a command. All students will report to me at 8 a.m. tomorrow. The notice says that the park shall close by 6 p.m. Here you should write your own sentence and circle the verb in future tense, that is simple future tense. To make suggestion or promise. Shall we visit our grandparents this weekend? I can assure you that I will come next summer. Here you should write your own sentence. To express a spontaneous decision. I will make some tea. My mother will pay for the tickets by cash. So you should write your own sentence here, and as usual you should mark the verb in simple future tense. Last one, to ask a question. Will Renu come with me to the mall? Shall I drop you to the park? Here you should write your own sentence and circle the verb in the simple future tense. Next, we can form simple future tense in the following ways: affirmative, negative, interrogative. Affirmative refers willing to do something. Negative, if we use not in the sentence, it becomes negative. Interrogative, it is a type of sentence ask questions and it will end with question mark. I will walk or I shall walk. I will not walk. Will I walk or shall I walk? Next, you will walk, you will not walk, will you walk? Here, he will walk, he will not walk, will he walk? She will walk, she will not walk, will she walk? We will walk or we shall walk, we will not walk, will we walk? They will walk, they will not walk, will they walk? So just you go through this tabular column, children. I hope you all understood the topic, children. If you have any doubts, you make a call and clarify your doubts. Thank you, children.